So for someone looking for an equipment serial number to order some parts online or through their local dealer, so when you're walking around your equipment, I mean the Honda rototiller, the first number that you will see is the engine serial number, which is easily visible on your engine block. So this particular number, the GX140, which is the size of the engine, it's a 140cc engine. So if you're looking to order some parts just for the engine itself, then the serial number for the engine will help you. But if you're trying to order some parts for the rototiller, so this is where the handlebar column is. So you gotta look underneath the handlebar column. So this is where they have the decal which says the equipment serial number. So after getting the serial number from the handle column, just go into the description of the video and look for the web link where you can cross-reference your serial number to look up parts for the rototiller.